Everybody. So y'all probably know that Facebook over the years has had its fair share of issues and controversies. But what's going on right now in the year 2023 is very concerning. And honestly, if Meta does not get their act together on this and get this fixed, this issue could effectively end Facebook. I'm not kidding. This really could end Facebook. So recently I posted a video. It was called 5 Reasons Why Facebook Should Consider Changing Their Name to, Scambook. And I mentioned, of course, the 5 big reasons. And, of course, the highlight of that video had to do with how easily accounts can get hacked. And this has been an issue that's been going on with Facebook, or as my dad calls them, Bookface, for like quite some time now. At least the past couple of years or so. But it seems that this year things have gotten way worse. I've seen multiple friends' accounts getting hacked. Matter of fact, I'll throw some cards in here of other videos I've uploaded talking about this very issue. But as stated, it's getting worse and worse and worse. Like in just the past month, several of my friends' accounts have been hacked. And they would create a new account and then they'd get hacked too. And a lot of this has to do with falling for social media scams, which are rampant on Facebook. You got to watch out for these kinds of things. I mean, it can be phishing links of fake video posts that people are sharing. Essentially, accounts get hacked and the hacker posts malicious stuff. And in fact, just in the past week, I've had 2 of my friends' accounts get hacked, and then the person would send me a message. And what they would do is they would basically say, I need your phone number so that way I can recover my account. They basically act like they're the person whose account got hacked. And they're acting like the person is trying to recover their account. And what they do is they ask you for your phone number. So that way, what they can do is send you a 6-digit code and say, I need that code. Well, truth is, they're trying to hack into your account, not recover theirs. And the thing is, these hackers, I mean, when they hack the accounts, they immediately go in and they change a lot of details. They'll go in and change recovery options, recovery phone number, all that good stuff. Sometimes they'll even change the name and gender of the person's account. I mean, these hackers, it's like the sky's their limit on what they do to these accounts. And once they get in, they start a message campaign to all the friends associated with that account to try to get their accounts hacked too. It's a rampant issue that Facebook needs to deal with right now. And if they don't, they can kiss Facebook goodbye. Because people are getting fed up with the site. People's accounts, people who've been on the site for years, decades even, are losing their accounts to these hackers. Because these hackers are getting very clever to where they can easily trick somebody who doesn't have tech knowledge into thinking, in many cases, their friend is trying to recover access to their account. It's so bad recently that Facebook even they turned off access to this trusted contacts feature because, well, scammers and hackers were taking advantage of it and screwing people over with it. So, yeah, Facebook, they really need to get a handle on things. And like I say, if you have a Facebook account, please be extremely careful about what you click on and who you message, because these hackers, like I say, they'll hack a friend's account, and it could be somebody that you really actually know and trust. And a lot of times these hackers, they'll try to do the best they can to make it seem like it's your friend talking to you when it's really not. So when you get a message from someone asking for help to recover their account, don't even respond to it. Don't even respond to it. What I suggest is, if you know the person outside of Facebook, like you have their phone number, contact them directly. Ask them if are they actually trying to get access back into their account. Sometimes they probably are, but you just got to be careful, because these hackers, like I say, and in particular with the 6-digit code thing. So if someone messages you asking you for your phone number, FYI, 9 times out of 10, with the 1 time out of 10 actually being your friend. But 9 times out of 10, it's a hacker who has hacked your friend's account, and they're trying their best to get into yours too. And the first step is to get your phone number. Matter of fact, last week I think I had one manage to find my phone number through alternate means, because I told them, no, I'm not giving your phone number. Yes, I responded. I said, no, you're not getting my phone number. And then about a half hour later, I received a text message from Facebook saying, this 6-digit code is your password reset code. And then that person messaged me saying, please send me the code. And I said, no, hacker, I'm not sending you the code because you're telling me a lie. You're telling me a lie. Try to get me to give you this code so that way you can hack into my account. So I'm going to come back to that in just a moment. So like I say, when you get these requests, if someone sends you a Facebook reset request, or a password reset request, with a 6-digit code, do not send them that code. Don't do it. Because when they get that code, bam, they reset your password. Bam, they change your recovery phone number. Bam, they changed your email address. You're done. Your account's finished. You can't get back into it. And Facebook, no, they won't help you. I'm afraid they will not help you at all. So to try to help prevent them getting into your account, even in the scenario where they manage to reset your password, you need to add two-factor authentication. And I suggest using a authenticator app. Duo Mobile is a good one, and I would suggest you use them. Duo can be used to secure multiple accounts, not just Facebook, but lots of different accounts. And in the case where your Facebook account password is either compromised or reset and someone tries to log in, they're going to be required to enter a 6-digit code, not from Facebook, but from your authenticator app, which is separate from Facebook. You'll have to use your mobile device, which the Duo app, for example, is linked to your mobile device, and there are ways you can back that up in case you lose your device. I don't have a video in particular about that, but there's information on the internet about that. But again, it's linked to your device. You have to physically have that device there and be able to unlock that device and open that app and look up the code. Because then, I should mention, the code resets like every 15 seconds or so. So it's very, very secure, and it's a last resort means if your password is reset somehow and someone is trying to log in. They can't get in unless they have access to that app. So I do suggest, if you use Facebook, even if you only use the account once in a while, if you have a Facebook account, install Duo Mobile and set up two-factor authentication to use that app as an extra security measure when logging in. Do it for yourself, I hate to say it, but more importantly, do it for the sake of every friend and follower you have on Facebook, because you're also protecting them. Because when your account gets hacked and someone takes over your account and starts blasting messages to other people, a lot of times your friends are going to fall for it too and get hacked too. So if you have a Facebook account, even if you only use it once in a blue moon, secure it. By all means, secure it. Because Facebook is littered with security holes, I'm afraid. And if Facebook does not get their act together and stop these problems, you look back at that video I talked about earlier, the 5 reasons why Facebook should change their name. There's 5 huge issues, and part of it is actually changes Facebook themselves have made to the site that make things easier for hackers to take advantage of people. Facebook needs to get their act together and fix these problems. Otherwise, this could be the end of Facebook. And honestly, in my opinion, I feel like Facebook is already declining anyway as it is. But it will decline faster if they don't address these issues. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Kuku channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified when a new video post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, And share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.